Hello, welcome to our TAICO production line. Here's our battery cells. We only use top 10 cells manufacturers like EVA and CATL. And all the battery cells information can be traced through this QR code. And we use fully automatic machine. We use fully automatic cell sorting machine. It's stricter than others. You can see here the internal resistance between the cells is less than 0.3 milliohm, and the voltage difference between the battery packs is less than 3 millivolts. Between the battery cells, we use this UV4, which is the UL94 V0-rated standard, the highest fireproof standard, and even we use the fire directly, there's absolutely zero burning. It insulates, absorbs vibration, and block heat all at once. During charge and discharge, lithium battery cells inside will expand and around up to 10%. If you don't control that, the battery will fail easily. So we use our custom steel belts applying battery 450 newtons of force. So these our steel belts handle 28,000 newtons. And while other batteries use other green plastic shells, those around 8,000. That's why our modules last 30% longer. There are two other materials that other batteries they mostly use bronze. For example, this end plate, we use die-casting aluminum, not the iron. So it's lighter, stronger, and it naturally pulls heat away from the cells. And the second, the busbars, we use 2 mm stacked annual aluminum, so it bends without cracking, conducts electricity efficiently, and creates a perfect weld surface.
Before laser welding, each battery packs will go through this CCD polarity inspection machine. Our CCD inspection machine reduces time in 1.2 seconds with under 0.05% error rate. Most batteries use 2 or 3 kilowatt lasers. The problem, they degrade over time and cause weak welds. We use 6 kilowatt laser welding machine with micro-level precision. Every weld is deep, smooth, and consistent. No pores, no cracks, no cold drops. This standard applies to every module we make. Each TAICO battery pack follows the UL94 V0-rated international standards. It has a unique traceability code and features upgraded busbar connection between each battery modules. For example, we can produce up to 1,000 units 5 kWh battery per day. Fast delivery, consistent quality. That's our TAICO's promise.